My name is Matt. My friend Witness.
I'm Witness.
We're going to blow an egg out. We're going to put it in for 11 seconds, I guess. Start. This is what happens. Imagine having the egg is supposed to explode. Okay, maybe we should wait a little bit longer.
No, okay, wait, Max, okay? This is before, okay?
Now we'll show you after.
We'll show you after.
Let's try 30 seconds.
Let's see, it's not 30.
30 seconds. No,
30.
Okay. There. Now see good?
Not really.
So whatever.
No, I can't.
It is quite a sight as we speak. The egg is supposed to explode.
First time we're doing this.
It was a myth that I heard online. That didn't work. Let me check the egg. The egg is getting very, very hot. That means a buzz. It should go for another 30 seconds. 40 seconds.
41 seconds, okay?
People, I'm sorry if it doesn't work. Jacob, you might want to put that around your wrist just in case you get surprised. Okay, do what? I think it might explode. Getting ready to.
It is popped.
No, it didn't.
Yes, it is. It's moving.
Oh, yeah, it popped. Oh my god. Oh!
That was awesome.
Nice. I smell eggs.
Delicious.
Very good. Ooh, that is a nice egg right there. Look
It
at
turned
that.
to boiled.
People, that is how you blow an egg up. Let's do it again.
Ain't that dirty? Wait. I want to see if it's actually boiled. Dude, they boiled it and everything.
Thank you, people.